Our next visual is create a map using geographical data. So this is like similar to the previous map we created, but this is another kind of map normally known as filled map. All the features remain same. It's just that it's a different kind of representation. Normally, in this kind of map, the area of the country or the state, whichever field we are taking to represent it on the map, is being filled with different colors or different sizes based upon the measures which we are creating. So both the maps are similar. This one is called the filled map, whereas the previous map that we saw, that is this one, is called a symbolic map. You can take a call which map to show or which map to create based upon the requirement. So now let's see how to create a filled map in Tableau. So I created a new sheet. Let's see how to create a filled map. So before I start creating a filled map, a tip or a trick here is, so how do we normally do is, we push this state, we drag and drop it and push it to the columns, and then from the show me we select the map. So rather than doing this, what we can do is, since state is already a geographical role as it has a globe in front of it, so Tableau has identified it as a geographical column. So what you can do is, to create the map visual directly, you can double click on the state. So let me double click, and once I double click, you saw it automatically created a map visual. So this is a symbolic map. How to convert it to a filled map? From the click on the show me, from the show me you can see two maps. This is the symbolic map that is already on the screen. So what you can do is, you can click on this map and it will automatically convert it into a filled map. So this is how we create a filled map. Now what I can do is, I can color it based on the different measure. Now let's say I need to color it based on the profit. So what I can do is, from the measure names, I can select this profit and push it to the color. So let's drag and drop it to the color, and you can see based on the profit it has automatically colored the map visual. Again, how the profit is being colored is, starting from the lowest, it's starting from the yellow part and going to the darkest blue with the highest sum of the profit, that is 76,381 something. Now here Tableau also provides an option to change the color coding. So you can click on this small arrow, click on edit colors. Again, that colors screen pops up. That is very familiar, as we have learned previously how to modify these. We can make the selections and click on OK as per our requirement. Now let's see one more interesting feature here. Now when I see this map, I'm not able to take any insight from it. As I can see on the hover, this state is Colorado and it has a profit of -6528. But what if I, parallelly to the profit, I need to see the quantity, and the quantity should be clearly seen in the map. So what I can do is, I can add the quantity in the labels. Once I add it, let's see how the visual pops up. So from the measure names, let's drag and drop quantity and push it to labels. Now you can see the numbers of the quantity are being listed in the map visual. So what I can see is, for this Wyoming, profit is 100 and quantity is 4. That means with a very minimum quantity, it's still earning good profits. Let's see some country with maximum like kind of quantity, that is say California, with profit 76,381 and a quantity of 7,667. So that's an significant profit with significant number of quantities available. So this is how we create a filled map in Tableau.
If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.